So, you know how to beep beep like a sheep, I see. But, is that all you can do?
Throw your hands up and point them to the sky. Legs slow down, just don't stop, don't stop. Just bounce around, get one off for your eyes. Shake out the haters like you got nothing to lose. Don't know what to do, 'cause they've never seen it like you. Sometimes you lie head under the covers. Have to admit some days are harder than others, but it's time to get up and give it one last try. One last blast before we say our goodbyes. We all know what to do when they